In this episode, I'm talking a little bit about an experience I have on the West Coast working with a management team, creating unity and clarity of the direction of the future. Stay tuned for more. Hi, my name is Johan Mylov and the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. I'm out here on the West Coast. It's actually a bit cold here and rainy. It's a bit of a surprise, but in any case, I'm working with a management team, and I just want to share a few thoughts around working with unity and clarification on where the business is going. It's amazing to me every time how powerful it is when people can see what the future looks like, how they can organize, how they can come together to all help out in the same direction, instead of focusing on their own functions, trying to do what's best for their area. Instead, look at the whole business and the people and the customers, suppliers and the community and so on. It's so powerful, and I think that many companies miss the opportunity to really come together. It takes a little bit of time, maybe a couple of days, but it's so worth it to make sure that people are really aligned, and especially in the management team. You know, if you're not committed in the management team, 1% of doubt in the management team leads to 50% of doubt on the shop floor. So your unity is key, and I can't point that out enough. Taking a couple of days, my recommendation is twice a year actually. You do a big one maybe once a year, or you set your budgets and expectations, and then every 6 months after, when you follow up, you do a short review to see if it's still valid, so that you are still aligned. And things can happen in the market, of course, and other things can change, so it's good to think about that. But business deployment is what we call it. Like and share. Send me an email. Let me tell you how we can help you to develop a business deployment in your business and how powerful that can be for you. Thank you for listening.